Let's look at creating a site plan for a new tank facility at Fort Benning, Georgia. We got two locations. We need to determine which one is the best. So we type in Fort Benning. You can type the location of any address you got into the geolocator. You can see right in the left center, that is the existing facility. Right in the middle, there's one location. To the top, the base commander has identified another location. So let's go in and start with location number 1. I want to be able to grab some information such as topography, aerial imagery. You can do that by just going in and grabbing the USGS, grabbing the world imagery, applying that to the model, and now we've created with SITEOPS a 3-dimensional model from which we will start designing. Users can also bring in their own shape files, DGN files, whatever information you have, bring this in and make a more accurate model or replace it later for a more accurate model. Let's go in and draw a few intelligent components. I'm going to go and draw the staging area for the equipment. Now everything in SITEOPS has a purpose and a reason. For example, this is going to have a min and max slope, a material type. How are we going to do some parking? And with SITEOPS, you're not stuck with that original design. You can quickly come in, for example, if I don't like my parking, just pick on bits and pieces of it, change it, move it, go in and change the angle of the parking spaces, the count, a lot of different ways you can change all kind of objects and areas inside of SITEOPS. To add a roadway is simple as where do I want to connect to the existing road to the new section. Go in and add the new parking lot to the roadway. So let's fast forward about 30 minutes to look at a project that had a little more time spent on it. So you can see we're connecting to the roadway, connecting to the back tank facility. But the big question has not been answered yet. What is the cost? To do this, we need to grade. We need to look at the risk of moving dirt. Hit the grading button. And now you're going to see red is cut, blue is fill, yellow means little to no elevation change. SITEOPS is looking for the most cost-effective design on this project, and it's looking at it thousands of times. So let's look at another location. We're going to go to the north. They want the same basic layout. We're going to tie into the tank trails a little bit differently, tie into the main road with a little bit longer road. So the big question becomes, what is the cost? We're going to hit the grading button. Again, it's going to look at the most cost-optimized way to do the site plan. And what we're going to determine is, the original design was about $2.8 million. The revised location is $4.5. That's an additional cost of $1.2 million. It's not the end of the world, but it's the kind of thing they need to do to make the best decision. Another thing SITEOPS can do is take that model to LumenRT, because we want to be able to relay to stakeholders what the project looks like. So inside LumenRT, I have that 3D model. I can come in and start changing material types, such as I want my driveways to be heavy asphalt, and I want to look a little darker than the rest of the asphalt. Come in and quickly add trees, cars, people, and have some of them even move, such as cars moving. Being able to give a realistic feel to this design will help the clients understand the design intent, making it easier to do a good decision, not just based on cost, but on overall intent. Go to SketchUp. Bring in 3D models from SketchUp or any other tool that creates 3D models. We have buildings, parking lot full of cars, A1 Abram tanks, even some Sherman tanks as a monument as we come into the facility. Then I can quickly create a live cube that I can share with my client. They can do their own manipulation of the model, or I can come in and just create a quick video. Add the logo. For example, if we were doing this project, we'd most likely be doing it for the United States Army Corps of Engineers. And I can hand this video to them. Let them see the design intent that I have for this facility, along with a budget, 2D drawings that if this is what they like, I can go forward with construction documents. This allows not just the designer, but the stakeholders of a project to make the best decision as to what we should do and how we should do it. SITEOPS modeling tool, along with LumenRT, is a game-changing duo inside the site design industry. Being able to quickly do what we see on the screen in front of you, which is show relationships, show design intent within just a few hours, not days, weeks, or months, is going to start making designers look at more options, delivering better quality, overall helping the project make better decisions. To find out more about SITEOPS, go to Bentley.com.